Hello, beautiful morning in Ahmed, and it's a time for another episode. Why it's so beautiful? Because it's a rain season. If the morning is like this, we call it beautiful. And today's story will be about my friend Risto. Risto I know since 4 years, when he came to me and said, I want to dive in Rajampatso, but I'm not certified diver. So can I do my open water course to visit that amazing place? And then we started filling up the papers. I thought, okay, this guy is about 70 or 60 something, but then I get to know from the forms that he's actually 76. And in the beginning I was like a kind of little bit worried about that age and so, but because I saw him and how full of energy he is, then I said, okay, let's try it out. It was absolutely like a normal course. No any special things I needed to adapt or some skills I needed to adapt for him. No, it was absolutely normal, good course. And since then we've been doing more than 100 dives together. And I'm still amazed about this guy, about his passion, about everything he's doing in his life, about how he's taking the life, what is his life philosophy. We got a couple of really nice talks about what is important. In my family I have my dad, and he's pretty much the same person, and I'm trying to be the same. So all these people are definitely a role model for me.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream.
All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. When it will be, we'll see.